Hello friends, I am Deepanshi Sharma. Welcome to my YouTube channel Genius Deepanshi, and I hope you are doing well. And today I will discuss this pattern, and this is a reversed right angle triangle pattern, and in this pattern alphabets are repeated in each row in a constant way, constantly way. So we understand this pattern with the help of nested for loop. Firstly we create outer for loop, and in this outer for loop we take 0 as lower limit and 5 as the upper limit, and inside this outer for loop we create another loop that is called inner loop, and in this inner loop we take 5 as lower limit, I as the upper limit, and minus 1 as the step value. And inside this inner loop we print the outer variable that is I, and plus the value 65, because the sky value of capital A is 65, and typecast the I variable into alphabets. So we used CHR. CHR means character type. So we typecast the I variable into character type, and outside this inner for loop we used empty point function for cursor to the next line. So when completing each row, cursor will move to the next line. So when you execute this program, the accurate output is shown as below. Because this is a row wise pattern, so when we have a row wise pattern, we always inside the inner loop we always print the outer loop variable that is I. So we print the I variable plus plus value 65 and typecast the I variable into character type. So I hope you understand, and I hope you clearly the pattern. Like, share and subscribe our channel Genius Dipanshi, and thank you for watching. If you have any concern related to this pattern, you can text me in the comment section, and I hope you all guys really happy. Have a great day.